Hello friends and families, once again welcome to Armstrong Computers channel. Today's segment we'll be looking at the continuation of how to use mx-dos command. As you can see on your screen, in our previous video we learned about how to use rd, and we said it is used to remove a directory. We also dealt with how to use dir, and we said it's also used to display a list of files and subdirectories in a directory. Then we also today we'll be looking at ren. We said that ren is used to rename a file or a directory, and that is what we'll be looking at. Without wasting my time, let's look at how that is being done. As you can see now, this is my DOS Windows. So you can see in our previous lesson we dealt with displaying a list of directories, displaying the contents of the pen drive, where we type dir and press enter. So basically we remove all the directories. So to rename a directory, we need to create a directory, then we can go ahead and rename the directory. So let's go ahead and create at least 3 directories, but before then let us clear the screen. Just clear any which way. So what I will do is I will just create a directory named Lolo. I'll type md space Lolo and press enter, and then create another directory named md space p and press enter, and another directory md space c and press enter. So you can see I'm just done with 3 directories. Then I will just go ahead and clear the screen. Now after I've cleared the screen, the next I need to type dir to display the list of the directories that I have created. Now as you can see, I have 3 directories created currently. So I'll clear the screen again. Now after clearing the screen, now what I need to do is that for me to rename these directories, I need to use a command known as ren. But before then, as we just type dir, and you can see I have 3 directories left, such as Lolo, P, and C, as you can see on the screen. So for me to go ahead and rename the directory, I'll just type ren and then space the name that I've given to the directory, okay, and I'll type the name that I've given to the directory, which is, let's say, Lolo. So I'm going to space that, and then I'll type Lolo. Okay, so that is what you need to know. Okay, so you bring the name that you've given to the directory first, then after that space the new name you want to give to the directory. Let's say I want to give the new name as Armstrong, so I'll type Armstrong, and then I'll go ahead and press enter. So after I've done that, to see whether the directories has been removed, or sorry, has been renamed, which is the Lolo has been renamed, might as well just first clear the screen first. So I can go ahead and clear the screen, and then I'll go ahead and type dir and press enter, and then my directory will display. You can see that automatically it will show you that my Lolo has now been named Armstrong, which is down there. I've seen it. So basically that is how you can rename a directory. Now for you to just get the whole concept, as I just said earlier on, for you to rename a directory, first what you need to do is that first type ren space, okay, let's try it again, by typing the name of the directory that you have created, which is C. So I'm changing the C, and then I'll go ahead and type what how do you call it, school. So I'm renaming C to school and press enter. Now after I'm done, the next I need to do, I need to just clear the screen again and type dir, and then you go ahead, you see that the C has not changed to school. Okay, so that is how it has been done. Now I want you guys to try your hands on certain things, but before then I'll open my notepad and tell you guys how you can do this. I'd like you to, you yourself, as you are watching, rename the directory name P, okay, the directory name P, rename it to 𝐒𝐤𝐲𝐩𝐞, okay, rename the directory name P to 𝐒𝐤𝐲𝐻𝐞, okay, as I just said, rename the directory name P to 𝐒𝐤𝐲𝐻𝐞. When you are done, you can just WhatsApp me what you have done, for me to see whether you are enjoying the lesson. So to do that, what you need to do is, that's the name I just put on the screen, you just type ren space C, okay, space P, sorry, space 𝐒𝐤𝐲𝐻𝐞. Simply means that you are renaming the P to 𝐒𝐤𝐲𝐻𝐞, When you are done, just send your result to me through WhatsApp. That's the number on the screen there, +233-0209-461-382, for me to see yes indeed you are enjoying the lesson. So basically that is just that. So that is how you can rename your directory, and I hope this lesson has then profit to you, and also you have find its interest. See you in the next video. Bye bye.